3, 2, 1, crescendo!
And on the Red Alliance, Citrus starting off scoring their preloaded note, their second shot a little bit low, but they make it to one center line note before Robodoors on Blue do. They bring that back, get that scored, and add another as well. They finish off Autonomous, clearing out all those notes set out by their speaker. Enough for 5 notes total scored, and Autonomous by Red. And 1678, starting to toss notes over between their amp and speaker again, preparing those to be scored all at once and amplified speaker later. On Blue, meanwhile, Robodor is working on filling in their amp. Pumpkin Bot's doing the same for Red. Both alliances already hitting that cooperation bonus. 42-55, their next attempt, they lose their grip on the note, but they quickly grab another and head to their amp again. Red, however, has already amplified. 1678 coming back, scoring a note there. A few seconds left of amplification. Seems like they do not quite have time for another cycle from the source, so they toss that note towards Pumpkin Bots to begin filling Red's amp again. Blue, however, still staying in this match. They've amplified themselves. 95-19 is scoring in the amplified Blue speaker. Robodors as well, and both those teams now across field, heading back from the source as their alliance partners, Gator Gears, are back in action. On Red, 1678 scoring in a now amplified speaker, getting 1 and 2 amplified notes. They head for another note. Unfortunately, Robodors snatch it out from their clutches, so they have to head all the way back to the source and begin that cycle again. And with 50 seconds to go, we have about 30 points separating our alliances. Robodors trying to get that second note in Blue amp. Meanwhile, their alliance partners, Gator Gears, having a little bit of trouble moving around, so they decide to go safely already on stage, up in the air, and waiting for endgame. Our other teams are not there just yet, however. 1678 scoring in the speaker, not amplified this time, but still earning 2 points for each of those notes. And 25 seconds left. Seems like Red is deciding to prepare for endgame. 1678 grabbing onto that chain, and now they hit the 20-second mark, up in the air, scoring that note in the trap. Seems like their alliance partners, Pumpkin Bots, off the ground as well, as is Zero Tolerance. 10 seconds left. Seems like 95-19 thinking about joining Gator Gears there for Blue. Red, meanwhile, has spotlit one of their stages. 3 seconds left. Seems like Blue's robot will finish there, parked. By a score of 81-43. Red Alliance picking up 4 ranking points, keeping Citrus in third. And now, for some more breakdown on that match, let's take it over to our game analysts.
Tough match for the Blue Alliance, leaving